one. Let's see if we can get this. They filled it really high, which is pretty cool. I've never seen it filled this high before. What if we could rake it? Is that even possible? I don't know.
Oh my god, I got it. Oh, yeah, let's go. Nice. First try. Nice. I got him. Nice, yeah. Sweet. First try. Let's go for another one. Alright. I'm liking this. Alright. Let's go for this pillow right here. That might happen. Come on, get the pillow, get the pillow. Oh, pillow. Nice, 2 in a row. Heck yeah. Nice. Let's go for the pillow back here. Spin's right. It's all about that spin. What about this one up here, actually? Ooh, that's gonna be tough. I wonder if I can shake it. What do you think? Do you think I could get it?
I don't know, let's try, see what it gets.
Let's try that. 3 in a row.
Nope.
Wait, unless it closes really good. Oh, yes. No. Oh, dead zoned it. Gosh dang it. Alright. One more try. I think I can get that.
Try to go for the one on top.
Yeah. See, why does it spin? I wish they'd take some of the stuff down off the wall. Right. Oh, wait. Alright, right there. Okay. Oh, maybe. Oh, got it. Stay. Should have went for this one. Nice. Got another fuzzy pillow.
Oh, you went to that one.
Oh yeah, keep that up. We're gonna get so much sleep tonight. Alright. It has a pretty long tail. Oh, it's dug in there, I bet. Because of its tail. Yeah, hold on, actually. I'm gonna see this dog is going. I don't know. We'll go for this. Okay, that's as far over as it'll go, so. Oh, come on, close. Oh, I don't know. I'll probably leave now, but wow, we got 3 prizes from the big one. That's pretty good for what, 5 tries? So, all right, nice.